Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up Timeshift on Linux Mint using an easy method. First, open the Timeshift application from your Applications menu. You'll be prompted to choose a snapshot type. Select rsync for most users. Next, select your destination drive for storing snapshots. It's best to use a separate drive or partition if possible. This ensures your backups are safe even if your main system drive fails. Now, let's configure the settings. After selecting your snapshot type and destination, navigate to the Settings tab. Here, you can adjust how many snapshots Timeshift keeps and how often it creates them. For example, you might keep 5 daily snapshots and 2 weekly ones. This balance helps save disk space while providing ample recovery points. Remember to save your changes before proceeding. Creating a snapshot is simple. Just click the Create button on the main Timeshift window. This will generate a new backup of your current system state. If you ever need to restore, select the desired snapshot from the list and click Restore. Timeshift will guide you through the process, ensuring your system returns to that specific point in time. It's a powerful tool for maintaining system stability. For best practices, always ensure your snapshot destination has sufficient free space, perhaps 25 gigabytes or more. Periodically verify your snapshots by attempting a test restore to a virtual machine if possible. This confirms your backups are working correctly. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Keeping your system backed up is crucial for peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.